Okay, buddy.
The person I'm connected to the most is Aisha. But I need
We'll grab him up. I'll go find Nolan before Street does.
This is a virus.